Namaskar. Welcome to Cuckoo's defunct airline news network. Tonight's special, we are celebrating Papu's birthday, the only way I know how, through the lockdown and the distance. A video montage through our news network. There is an outpouring of love and support for him, and that's exactly what I'm here to present. So here goes. Happy birthday, Papu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Many girlfriends to you. और आपकी जो एग्जिस्टिंग गर्लफ्रेंड है वो मैं ले लेती हूँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हमने एक बात कही. क्या बात कही? I don't know if you can read it. It says, Happy birthday, Ravi uncle. I just wanted you to know that we are all so proud of you. You have just changed everything for us in terms of what is age. Every day we wake up. I mean, I can talk about myself. Every day I wake up with, hi, meri back, hi, garmi, excuses. And then I see you are doing fabulous things. You are doing everything that we keep talking about, but we don't really put too much effort. But uncle, couple of things. I am so happy and proud of myself to have found your daughter, to have befriended her, forced myself into her life, and then came across you both. Both of you are just so fabulous, such wonderful people, and you have taught us both so much, and about love, about hard work, about never giving up. एक और बात वो ये कि जिस तरह से आपने अपने जीवन में लोगों को ट्रीट किया है, with respect, with love, with gratitude, with selfless love, and not just to your family, to everybody that either becomes part of the family or anybody you meet outside the family. And that is something that is very inspirational. अच्छा इंसान होना बहुत आसान है और ये आपसे सीखा है हमने. So thank you uncle, and I love you so much. I love you more than I say, but I'm sure you know, also because असली बेटी तो मैं हूँ. Okay, bye and happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, wish you a very happy birthday and lots of good health and happiness this year.
Many happy returns of the day, Ravi uncle. It has been a pleasure not only just having Shreya in my life, but in turn because of her, your presence as well. It is such, especially after listening to your podcasts and everything, even in the past, all our interactions have truly made you one of my primary male role models, and I know there are very few in my life. So I really appreciate your presence and everything that you've done for Shreya as well as for me indirectly. And I hope you have a great day ahead, and wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, uncle. So firstly, I'm going to introduce myself as a fan because I love your podcast. बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही हम्बलिंग है, बहुत ही मॉडेस्ट है वो. जिस तरह से आप वो स्टोरी सुनाते हो ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ बड़ी बात है ही नहीं. कोई इंसान किस मुझसे बैठ के चाय पे बात कर रहा है. एंड आंटी की सिंगिंग के साथ तो वो डबल अच्छा हो जाता है, बिल्कुल ऐसे वो डबल धमाका टाइप्स वाला. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दो स्टोरीज टू अस बिकॉज बहुत ज़रूरत है हमें. हम बहुत बिजी अपनी लाइफ में सबको दिखाने में कि हम ये हैं, हम वो है. बट वी मिस आउट ऑन दीज थिंग्स दैट यू आर शोइंग अस टुडे through the podcast. More than that, I've met you once, and I feel that you people are so humbling, and you people are so nice to others. I wish all the luck and love to you in the world, and I hope that you're safe. दुनिया में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, कहीं भी हो रहा हो, I hope you people are safe and people are doing very well in your life. So thank you so much and happy birthday once again.
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health and happiness always.
Take care and wish you a very happy birthday, uncle. Take care. I love you. Coco, say happy birthday.
Hope you all are fine and keeping healthy. Stay safe. Once again, happy birthday.
बर्थडे अंकल, हाउ आर यू? शाह ने मेरे को बोला कि आपके लिए मैसेज रिकॉर्ड करना है, तो मैंने बकायदा अपने बाल स्ट्रेट किए, मैंने लाइनर लगाया, लिपस्टिक लगाई, यू नो, आई थॉट आई शुड बी ऑल डेक्ड आउट नाइसली फॉर यू. एनीवे, अंकल, आई हैव टू टेल यू दैट आई एम एब्सोल्युटली लविंग योर पॉडकास्ट. तो आप चाहे अमेरिका में हो, चाहे अफगानिस्तान में हो, चाहे तुर्की में हो, आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में हो, प्लीज डू कंटिन्यू विद योर पॉडकास्ट ऑलवेज. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था आपके हिडन टैलेंट के बारे में. एंड द अदर डे व्हेन यू टोल्ड मी कि वो तो सब इम्प्रॉम्प्टू हम बैठे बैठे कहीं पे भी रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू इमेजिन दैट यू फर्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट देम डाउन एंड देन यू रीड देम, यू रिकॉर्ड देम लाइक अ वॉइस ओवर. बट द अदर डे व्हेन यू टोल्ड मी कि नहीं वो तो हम कहीं से भी ऐसे ही रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, मतलब मुझे तो झटका ही लग गया था, बिकॉज दिस इज द 6th टाइम आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस मैसेज फॉर यू, क्योंकि हर बार ही फंबल हो रहा है. So anyway, I'll go now, but you have a great day and come back to India soon. I'll see you soon. Mwah. Love you. Enjoy.
Namaste uncle, a very happy birthday. I hope you're safe and sound and I hope you're enjoying your birthday. Yeah, the trend of this year is lockdown birthdays, so that's the way to go. And I hope you're having a wonderful time in US. Stay safe, hope to see you soon and happy birthday again. Namaskar.
Hi Ravi uncle. Wishing you a very happy birthday and many more to come. Sorry we couldn't be there, we can't be there with you. But we hope to be there with you next year. Have a wonderful time. You guys must still be in the US. Love to everyone there. Bye.
Bye bye. Happy birthday.
Uncle, wish you a very happy birthday and stay safe and healthy. I believe you are not in India now, but once you come back, we shall meet.
नमस्कार सर, विशेष तौर पर आज आपको आपके जन्मदिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको देना चाहता हूँ. आप जिए हज़ारों साल और हर साल के दिन हो 50,000. भगवान से मनोकामना करता हूँ कि आपको हमेशा हर्षित, स्वस्थ रखें और एक लंबी आयु प्रदान करें. वर्तमान स्थिति हमारे अनुकूल नहीं है, अन्यथा आप हैदराबाद में होते हैं और हम ये उत्सव साथ में मना रहे होते हैं. तो मैं आशा करता हूँ ये संकट की घड़ी जल्द से जल्द समाप्त हो और आप पुनः जो शाम की हमारी चाय और चाय पे पकौड़े और उस पर जो चर्चा होती थी वो फिर से हो. तो मैं पुनः आपको आपके जन्मदिवस की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. आप हमेशा हर्षित रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, इसी तरह से आप जीवन व्यतीत करते रहिए.
That was heartwarming. Now we proceed to Hyderabad. I take you to our special correspondent Devesh Silwal. He is presently in Hyderabad, bringing us the latest from the city of Hyderabad. Devesh.
कुकू जी धन्यवाद. रवि अंकल हैप्पी बर्थडे, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. दर्शकों, आज की बड़ी खबर हैदराबाद के हुसैन सागर लेक से आ रही है और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं रवि अंकल के जन्मदिन के अवसर पे जलवायु टाज पे खुशी की लहर दौड़ रही है. मैं कैमरामैन देवेश के साथ रिपोर्टर देवेश, हैदराबाद, कुकू न्यूज़ नेटवर्क.
That was fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Devesh Silwal, for being the camera person as also the reporter for our special from Hyderabad. I am now joined by Ms. Vandana Amanpour, who brings us the news from across the borders. Ms. Amanpour.
So today is a very special day for someone very special who's very far away from his home country. But today is a very special day for Mr. Ravi Srivastava. It's his birthday today. A very happy birthday to you, Mr. Srivastava. A lot of people from all over the world have been sending their birthday wishes for you. They wish you a lot of happiness. We did not know you had so many friends from everywhere who would be willing and wanting to wish you a very happy birthday, who want to be a part of your happiness. Just wish you a very, very happy birthday. So please take a look, see. Here it is.
Hi, Javi! Congratulations for your birthday! Oh, Javi, nice to be here, and I hope we can see each other very soon in your wonderful India. Bye, Javi! All the best! Happy birthday to you from Brazil!
Hello, from Bodrum, Turkey. Just want to give you an overview. I want to introduce you to my husband. We just want to tell happy birthday. We wish you happiness, health, and I wish you could go back to India at one point. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't know if I can. I don't know where to look because she's specified that it has to be in landscape mode. But I wanted to wish you a happy birthday and also to thank you for all the good work that you do and continue doing and have done in the past, and for giving birth to a wonderful daughter and continuing to be an amazing person and taking care of your wife and taking care of everybody around you, and God bless you. Sorry for the awkwardness, generally I'm not very good at videos, but yes, and I don't know where I'm looking essentially because it's anyway. So very happy birthday, and I'm not a very coherent person, nor am I very confident on camera, but the thought is there, the wish is there, and the love is there. Happy birthday.
Hello, Uncle. Happy birthday to you. These wishes are from me, from Chetan, from my dog Dost, from my parents, and from my brother. We all know you through your stories, and we really enjoy listening to them. I had the chance to meet you on Tulika's wedding, and I hope I will have a chance to meet you again very soon. I hope that you will look at this past year that has gone by and to all the years of your life with a lot of contentment and a lot of pride. I wish you a lot of good health and happiness in the coming years. Have a beautiful day, Uncle, and a very, very happy birthday. Bye.
Wow, that was lovely. Thank you very much for that update, Ms. Amanpour. That was quite heartening. I believe we now have Ms. Vandana, who has lately interacted with some children who had something nice to say too. Ms. Vandana?
Hi. So why should adults have all the fun? The kids are not going to be far behind, you know. They want to have fun too. So they decided that they want to be part of this fun party in wishing Mr. Ravi Srivastava a very happy birthday. And they have been so enthusiastic. They have sent so many videos full of love and wishing Mr. Ravi Srivastava a very happy birthday. So here they are.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ravi Uncle. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Ravi Uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Dance? Wow, cool. Super wow.
Wow, that was something. Happy birthday once again, Papu. Today we also have some special guests in our studio. We will be joined shortly by the Nimble Nityanganas, who are a one video wonder from YouTube, and they're trying to make it big in the world of YouTube. Nimble Nityanganas, ladies and gentlemen.
So, a very happy birthday to you, Papu. So we've just decided to do this really happy dance just to wish Papu from all the way from India, and we are just so happy to do this for him, and we wish him all the very best, and we look forward to having him back in India very soon.
If you don't mind, we would just like to go and perform right now. Okay, we can do the interview another time. But could you please finish your segment, please? Alright, I suppose we just cut to their performance now, and we hold off the interview for another time. Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papu. Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papu.
Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for your active participation and for your viewership. We appreciate it very much. Once again, Papu, wish you a very happy